Morning.
Tea, hot, strong tea, always good. I'm in a Homer, Pacific Ocean. Boat name is Bad Influence. I think it's good influence, not bad. Fishing. Addiction fishing.
Yep. There you go.
It's 4 o'clock in the
4
morning.
o'clock in the morning, yeah.
I walked by the wheelhouse.
That's a serious boat.
Yeah.
Fuel safety.
Additional 5 adult life jackets.
Ручки я понимаю. Оце як захвати, то людину можна викинути. Look at that. That was serious 100-pound fish. Wow, beautiful. But it's nice. Look at that. Beautiful. You're going serious fishing, drinking coffee, and feel like a white man, white people going for serious fishing halibut. Very serious. 65 miles offshore, over 300 feet deep. I hope, Vladimir hope, get something big or with a big ice. Big ice like that. God bless us.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. When the morning brings a question and the future seems unclear, I will follow where you lead me, for I know that you are near. When my heart becomes exhausted and my spirit loses strength, you restore my soul with mercy, and you carry me again. I don't need to have the answers, I don't need to know the road. If the shepherd walks before me, he will help me bear the load. I shall not want, I shall not fear. My shepherd walks beside me here. Through the valley, through the flame, I will trust in Jesus' name. I shall not want, I shall not fall. My shepherd hears me when I call. When the whole world turns away, Jesus leads me through the day. Sometimes life becomes a desert and the water seems to dry, but Jah can bring a river where the ground is cracked and dry. Sometimes friends may leave your journey and your heart